Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Salvatore Pascalique over here, proud member of the FDNY, okay? New York's bravest, Staten Island fighting. All right, well, I'm over here. I'm in Chelsea, Manhattan. That's where all the, they live down there. Regardless, I put out the fires. I don't judge your lifestyle. You want to lay up with another guy? Hey, do you? All right? There was a big fucking fire down here. It was about 5 alarms. I'm in my fucking drawers. I'm watching Louis C.K. Love that guy, redhead. You know, what the fuck? I don't get all his jokes. I get some of them. My son said it was good. Whatever. I'm just trying to live a good Christian life. Anyway, 18th Street, big old fire. And my favorite fucking podcast, oh my own, fucking Bodega Boys. They couldn't record. They couldn't fucking record. Broke my fucking heart. It was like when I found out my dear sweet daughter, Marie Antoinette, was fucking black guys. Anyway, the views expressed on this podcast by Desus Nice and the kid Mero are not necessarily that of, their prospective employers, the Viacom. They used to show videos. I don't know what they show now. Teen Mom. You got all these little girls scraping their uterus. I don't stand for it. I'm voting for Trump. Also, this is important. Follow them at the Bodega Boys on Twitter. That's where I go to be racist against black people when they tweet Black Lives Matter, because I don't stand for that shit, okay? Anyway, without further ado, here's episode 5, dickheads.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Bodega Boys, episode 5.
Oh my
Back
God.
in the building.
Oh my God.
Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Nelson Bandela, a.k.a. Mr. 1994, live from Nueva York.
What? Yo, it's the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. I would have shot George Zimmerman if y'all would have PayPal me, but you did not.
Oh, man, y'all missed out.
You know what I'm saying? You fucked up.
Anyway, we'd like to apologize. Shout out to FDNY on the intro.
That's right.
Well, we couldn't bring the podcast last week. We were waiting, but there was a huge fire here.
She was crazy.
At Red Bull Studios,
5
220
alarms.
West 18th Street.
It was alarms, right? 5
It was
alarms?
5 alarms.
5 alarms.
5 alarms.
That's wild. That's
a lot
wild
of
flames.
Alarms. That's wild flaming, mad flamo, mad fuego, as the Mexicans say. And thankfully everything is spick and span here. Can I say spick and span? No?
I'll allow it.
You allow it? Okay.
I'll allow it.
And there's no damage here. Doesn't smell like smoke. The basement is flooded, but that's cool.
Ha! Then when I walked in, nigga, smelled like smack, nigga.
Oh man. I got a question though. Who started the fire? There's a long list of suspects. People, I don't want to name names. Maybe another podcast. Maybe a certain presidential candidate who was lampooned on here when his interview
Should we
did
just
not
go to the phone? Should we just go to the phone and get him on here? And
Is
see?
he
Hold on,
get him on the phone.
Let's call this motherfucker, man.
Let's see what he's gonna do.
I don't even got his number stored. I don't respect this nigga at all. All right, cool. We got him. You want
Hello, Dr. Carson. It's Desus Nice and the kid Mero, aka
up,
the
man?
Bodega Boys.
That's
How's
right.
it going?
I'm alright.
Okay.
I don't understand why y'all are calling me on this day, this early in the morning.
It's like 12 noon.
That is in your time zone. Do you know where I'm at, Playboy? You don't even understand. You don't know where I go to. You don't be where I be at. You need a visa.
Okay, doctor. Quick question. Were you in New York last week? Because a suspicious fire rendered our studio inoperable, and we were not able to get our latest episode of Bodega Boys out.
Well, as you two ignorant fools say, it seems that it was lit.
All right. You don't even talk like that, Dr. Carson. Why all of a sudden you got all these hip-hop references?
I've been on the campaign trail, and I've been talking to people of color, and I've held several focus groups for this type of shit. You feel me? So now I have the slang down pat. Black people should not vote.
All right. Doctor, I'm sorry. It's early.
It's fine.
Nah, did you burn us down?
Listen, if I would never break the laws of this beautiful country of which I am the most celebrated neurosurgeon in. Jesus, let me ask you a question it's going to be quite silly because I know the answer is fuck no, but have you ever opened up the cranium of a child and seen God?
I have not.
You have never in your life, so please don't even look in my eyes if you ever see me on the campaign trail. Let me answer another question for you.
I didn't ask the second question.
Well, go ahead and ask it, motherfucker, because I have shit to do.
You said abortion is like slavery. Did you now?
Well,
last time you said the mainstream liberal media.
Well, if you would,
you're not going to shout me down on my own show,
if
Ben.
You would just let me speak in turn. I mean, I mean, obviously you have no home training. Listen, let me tell you something. If there's a lot of things that are like slavery, Jesus, have you ever been to a Starbucks and had your name spelled incorrectly?
I have.
That's like slavery.
How?
Have you ever gone to the supermarket and wanted to get peanut butter and there's no more, and you wanted to get it on sale, so you got a rain check?
Yes.
That's like slavery, Jesus.
I don't think
there's a lot of things that are like slavery, and you don't understand them because you don't understand the human brain the way I do. Because you do not understand the fluids in the human brain that cause it to think. Jesus, if that's even your real name, which is probably that's probably a street man name. You're probably a gangster in these streets, Jesus. You're not a neurosurgeon like me.
I never said I was
the best ever in the world.
If slavery was still around, would you be the best neurosurgeon?
I would be the best slavery neurosurgeon. I would neuralize all the slave brains.
That doesn't even sound like brain surgeon talk.
That is,
Doctor.
It is. Do you know?
You know what?
Let me ask you one question.
This is the last question because I'm about to cut your phone off.
Are you a brain surgeon?
I am not.
So then shut the fuck up.
You know what?
When a brain surgeon is speaking hell.
You know what? Go kiss your ugly wife.
Thanks
for coming through. Mero, thanks for helping out in this interview, by the way.
Listen, I don't even want to talk on this guy's on the phone, man. This guy's a maniac. I don't want to be associated with him in any way, shape, or form. I don't want people to see that I'm speaking to him. You know what I'm saying? Because that type of shit, that can make a left very quickly.
Pussy. Anyway. In other news, Blac Chyna.
Why was I still in Ben Carson's voice?
I don't know.
I don't think I'm like Idris Elba, dog. I don't break character on set.
I was gonna be like, yo, can Mero pull off like going from Mero to Ben Carson? I was like, that's not that complicated.
Yeah, listen, that's why Eddie Murphy's the greatest.
But now I see that this big Russian bear can ride a bike, but he can't balance the balloon on his nose.
Oh shit! Yo, Ben Carson's wild. Yo, he might listen. Listen. I don't want to speculate on what caused this 5-alarm blaze.
I think it's either Ben Carson.
Podcast is too fire.
It's too fire. It's too lit. People, listen. Look at us. We're in the top 10 on the comedy podcast.
Early.
We are a threat.
You know what I'm saying?
You're trying to get rid of us, man.
I got recognized by a white lady on the street today.
It might be COINTELPRO. It might be Giuliani.
It
could be De Blasio. Could be the Pizza Rat.
Oh God.
Could be one of my numerous exes.
Giuliani is the Pizza Rat.
With a comb over. Just dragging pizza and screaming 9/11.
There's going to be a Pizza Rat at a Yankee game when you get like the fucking the hat day shits.
Fuck Giuliani.
He's a coward. He don't even wear fitted. If you don't wear fitted at a Yankee game, you're a coward. If you wear like the fake like vintage shit that looks so crazy and
it's
you're like
dusty.
Fuck out of here.
It's 9/11 dust.
You haven't had that since 1950. You try front.
Stop it.
I've had this since I was a boy. Stop lying.
I used to go to Bat Day and I'd get Mickey Mantle's
Fuck
back.
out of here.
No, you did.
No, you didn't, motherfucker. You got that shit from your Chase private client.
All right? You got
Swag
that in
bag.
07. You were the first 30,000 people into the stadium. You're not low.
Fuck out of here.
Speaking of not low, Blac Chyna.
Wow.
Notorious for, just the wild ass shots. And also almost catching the fade at the VMAs from the Bodega Boys.
You know what I'm saying? Watch your step out here.
All right? Don't get it twisted. Chicks get that too. Anyway. Blac Chyna over the weekend.
Yo, this is drinking a large can of Heineken.
Yes.
Just in case.
At 12 on a Monday to let you know where my life is at.
You know what I'm saying?
She got Future's name tattooed on her hand and posted it on Instagram.
That's cool.
Because
that's
they're dating
dope.
now.
I respect that because if she was...
Do you respect that?
Let me tell you why I respect that.
Could I throw some cards on the table, though? Could get my Michael Jordan on
let's see the river.
and show you the head.
Good.
Future's name is not Future. Future's name is the name of Sierra's child with Future. Also, and accordingly, the day that Blac Chyna showed the tattoo was Sierra's birthday. You see the levels of scumbag shit?
Wow, that's like a petty triple-double.
Oh, man. Yo, Future's out here slinging MLM fucking dick, all right?
he's out
He
here.
got wake up now dick. Chicks are just throwing their lives
They got
away,
the Herbalife
making
dick.
that bad decision.
Yo.
They're buying in.
Drink 2 of these shakes a day, dick.
All right, they see it. They're like, yo, it didn't work for you, but I'm gonna have the profit network. I'm gonna double the numbers.
You know what's crazy? I respect that. Blac Chyna is wild. She knows the game because she got Future tattooed, and although that's stupid for various reasons, which you just laid out, it's also mad smart because you could pretend it's something else once this nigga inevitably does you.
Yeah.
If you tattoo Nevadius on
True.
your hand, I don't know if that's gonna fit on your hand. You might need a wrap. You might need a wrap around. But you know what I'm saying? There's not. You can't really turn that into nothing after y'all break up. You know what I'm saying?
But listen. I think
She's already looking towards the future.
I think you're giving Blac Chyna a little too much credit.
I don't see her. I don't.
Something about her does not tell me she's reading the 48 Laws of Power or the Art of War or what Machiavelli do.
Yeah.
But God bless.
Machiavelli.
God bless.
Shout out to Tupac for spelling Machiavelli wrong and making people believe that that's how you spell Machiavelli.
Listen, tweets are greater than facts, and that goes for life too. So, shout out to Blac Chyna and Future. Good luck with your relationship. We're looking forward to episode 24.
Hell yeah.
When we discuss you guys breaking up.
Yeah.
And he moves on to whoever's next in hot.
Who would it be?
I don't know, Kylie or somebody?
Probably. Definitely.
You know what? Tiger probably was like, this is a Tiger only house now. Like, they're not listening to no Future. Kylie's like, yo.
Dog, can I tell you that I saw a kid this weekend that was like, yo, I saw you in a commercial with Tiger. Yo, Tiger's mad cool. Yo, 12-year-old white kids love Tiger, dog.
For the record, Tiger was in a commercial with us.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
All right?
Yeah, no.
Don't
but you weren't there.
twisted.
You were there. Bitch, talking about you ain't even
Hollywood Jesus.
Hollywood.
Give me my car service.
Yo, here's my card.
Yo, kids love Tiger.
Yeah, dude,
Kids
they
love
love
Tiger,
him.
but kids are stupid.
They're
Kids
like,
also
kids are stupid.
stick forks in electrical outlets.
Exactly.
They eat rat poison.
They eat
That's
their
why they're
own-
not allowed to vote, own guns, to drive. Wow. Okay? So that's why
You're
we
allowed to
can't
drive
follow.
now? Shout out to you. I want to give I want to big Jesus up for being legal to drive now. Again.
That's right.
After all these
After
years.
2 long years of the man
That's right, holding you down.
holding me down, my license is no longer suspended.
That's right.
And can
Out
I just say, going from there's no difference leaving jail and going back to regular life than it is going from a suspended license to driving legally. Because I was still so nervous. Because when your license is suspended, you know if the cops pull you over, you're going to jail.
Oh, yeah, of course.
You're not getting a ticket.
Yeah.
You're going to jail.
There's no guesswork involved.
All right? So if you are doing a legal lane change, boom, you're going to jail.
Going to jail.
You see a car behind you with the lights, woo!
Oh, well, that's for me.
Shit yourself.
Slow down.
So I had to
in.
learn to drive at a very comfortable 49 miles per hour. Before I would get in the car, I would check all the lights. Dog, I was doing the hand signals out the window. Oh, no! Like I was on a bike. I was not breaking no types of laws, okay?
Yo.
But no, now I'm cruising. You know what I'm saying? I got my arm out the window.
Right.
You know, still wearing the seatbelt. Getting your license suspended makes you the safest driver on the road.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Like, I'm not taking no risks or nothing.
You're in the right lane
For
the
the
whole
next
time.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
For the next 3 weeks. Then after that, fuck it. Get in the car zooted. God, get so fucked up. You got to do that driving with the one eye thing. Like, why am I seeing double?
Man. Wow. I thought I invented that.
Nah,
a
listen.
minute.
We're not condoning drunk driving, but all I'm saying is, you a little lit. That West Side Highway at 90
Dog.
on a Saturday night.
That
Those
shit's like
curves.
Ridge Racer, nigga.
That shit is sexy as
That
hell,
shit
man.
is crazy. Nigga, I feel like playing Gran Turismo
All right,
out here.
you just go, oh
In
man.
the 05 Accord.
Okay, you open up. Listen, people, just because your car was made in 1986 doesn't mean you can't get up to 90.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Live a little.
Listen, it says it on the speedometer. That means I can do it.
Just because it's shaking. All right? Oh, man. You know how I know I've grown as a person? I just stopped myself from making a Michael J. Fox joke.
I respect that.
Thank you.
I respect
Thank
that.
you listeners. You don't understand. Don't you see that I'm growing?
That's right.
Oh, man.
You were so mature.
Yeah, but that was a big joke.
Yo, remember that night we fucking hit that puddle on the West Side Highway?
We almost died.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That
You
would've
guys
been-
almost lost the Bodega Boys.
Yeah.
We wouldn't have even made the cover.
Would have lied and been like we was in the 27 Club and shit.
We would have been on like the 46 page underneath the editorials.
Yep.
And just like 2 Bronx scumbags died. Not even funny. Don't even have our names.
Yeah, that
Probably would have been like
hilarious.
their lovers. They died in a final embrace.
Yeah. My head would have ended up in a fucking baby seat. Nigga, I'm doing fucking 90 on the West Side Highway in the rain. I hit a puddle. The shit goes across all 4 lanes. Almost hits a minivan. I'm just like, wow, dog.
To be fair though,
We almost died just now.
Mero was gone off the K2. So we were both naked in the car, like fighting an invisible fire. Yo, shout out to New York. New York is running anti-K2 promo ads.
That's fucking crazy, though.
Featuring fresh-faced teenagers.
Uh-huh.
A white girl, an Asian kid, like a black guy, and I think a white guy. And they're just like, yo, K2 is whack. Someone's spraying chemicals on our marijuana. You won't be down with that. You can smoke it once, you'll die. Okay, that's not scaring anyone from doing K2.
No, that's encouraging niggas
Okay?
to do K2.
Or as they call it in the street, Spice. Why did they name it after, like, the low-key porn network? But not the good porn network.
Remember Spice Channel?
Remember Spice? Remember, like, when you would, like, turn your cable box on and off real quick?
Yeah.
And the
Like a little
fucking
squiggly
zigzag
shit?
would stop, and you'd be like, yo.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, was that a clit?
Yo. Is that Janet?
I'm 13. I don't know what a clit is,
Yo.
but fuck it, it's lit.
Yo, it's Janet Jack me.
I don't know if I'm masturbating to the back of a knee, but fuck it.
It's lit, though.
Let me hurry up for my pops catch
That's
me.
a fucking sexy-ass knee.
Oh, man, that's a sexy name. So I think people were like, oh, Spice Channel.
Spice smoking.
Spice smoking.
Yep.
Next thing you know,
You
don't say you're giving a fucking hydrant a blowjob.
Yep.
You know, listen. There's some drunken shit to mess with.
It'd be like that.
And I feel NYC, we are opening the invitation to y'all. If you would like me and Mero to record an anti-K2 PSA for the youths, them.
Just bring us some K2 to the studio.
And Mero has this idea. We're going to go into a padded room.
Yeah.
We're going to do K2. And there's going to be cameras. And we're going to watch the video to see what happens. So if
we survive.
I feel like this is a good idea. I feel like also it might end with me ripping out Mero's lower intestines and playing them like a cello. Either or. It's lit. So NYC, get at me, de Blasio.
Yo.
Listen, your approval rate was in the garbage already. You can't do worse.
You're a Red Sox fan, my guy.
Oh, God.
You got to get your numbers up.
Yeah.
You fucking up.
Listen, 9/11's not walking through that door, do you?
Damn.
Nah, stop.
Yo, de Blasio needs something like that, man. Somebody got to
man.
do something fucked up for you to get your juice back. You eat pizza with a fork.
Yeah, he was
He's not
either,
doing
what was
the
it,
right
that Zabaro's pizza?
Yeah, get him out of
man,
here, dog.
What's
You're
that?
frying.
That's like methadone pizza,
Oh,
man.
I'm gonna eat some methadone pizza, guys.
It's like, hey, I ran away from home and I'm about to go into a porn career without any like say of my own because I'm sleeping in the back of the Port Authority. But you know what? Let me eat this scumbag pizza here made from burlap and tomato droppings.
Yo, all you motherfuckers out there eating stromboli for Sbarro's, dog.
Dog.
They niggas talk about processed meat is carcinogenic and shit. Shit gives you cancer.
Yo.
Sbarro's definitely gives you cancer.
Sabaros
dog.
gives you cancer, but if you but you go to Sabaros after you find out you had cancer. You're like, yo, fuck, I got nothing to live for. I ain't doing
Let me
keto.
get 4
Fuck this.
strombolis and a pinwheel. You know
Speaking
what
of
I'm
which,
saying?
they said a fucking report came out today. It was like, yo, red meat causes cancer.
Yeah.
And everybody was
processed
like,
meat.
yeah, well,
Welp.
well,
You know what I'm saying?
guess what? It happens.
Oh, well.
Niggas die every day.
Every day. Everything causes cancer, dog. Fucking, I'm drinking water out of
Water.
a bottle.
Water
Which is
causes cancer. It's probably
this
the fluoride
microphone is
in
giving
there.
me teeth cancer right now.
Teeth
You know what I'm
cancer.
saying? I got a big ass Dros Costanza wallet. This shit's giving me fucking leg cancer. You know what I'm
Listen,
saying?
cancer's not popping.
That shit is whack.
Has cancer ever been popping? No.
Nah.
You know what always
But
confuses
niggas
me?
always got to be aware of it.
Yeah.
You always got to be aware.
That's the wild, actually. Like, you just living your life and they come through like, oh, excuse me, that thing you really enjoy causes cancer.
Cause of cancer, fam.
Like, nigga, I know that. Don't tell me.
everything.
Guess what? This phone I hold in my head,
Yeah.
like in 1980, this would have been enough computer power to launch a space shuttle.
Oh, you kidding me?
think it's not giving me cancer? We
Nah.
all know this.
Come on.
We're just trying to live, dog.
Wi-Fi, dog. Always
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi? No.
Wi-Fi? Nah.
Nigga, it's the internet in the air.
Nah.
You know what that's doing
Come
to
on.
your intestines?
Listen, it's going in your ear hole and going right into your brain and then coming out the other ear hole.
Oh.
And it's poison. Like Nas said, white Jesus, poison. You know what I'm saying?
That was a strong track. That was a strong track where Nas was listing poisons.
You ever been listening to that shit with white people? He goes like, he's like, white Jesus, poison. Look around, white people's like, oh, shit.
Oh, you can't listen because Nas is like white
You
people
can't
love
listen to
Nas,
Nas,
but
white
Nas,
people.
Nas is not consistent like that. You gotta chill with the Nas thing. Speaking of legends, one legend by the name of Sir Nicholas Cannon,
Oh, the God.
the God, close friend of ours, Light Flex.
The homie.
He said this weekend on Twitter, Michael Jackson plus Tupac equals Chris Brown.
I see no lies.
I see not one fucking lie there.
I checked the work. You know what I'm
Listen,
saying?
I've done the math.
It's official.
Listen, I'm not just saying this because, you know,
I did reverse check.
I'm trying to be on a Real House Hollywood. Okay, you know, listen, and I feel like Nick Cannon might be the Sidney Poitier of our
He
generation.
is, dog. He's a master thespian. Dog.
And if Nick Cannon, who started wilding out, who also made the hip hop classic song Gigolo, says that Chris Brown is MJ plus Tupac, then guess what? Chris Brown is MJ plus Tupac.
That's it,
nigga.
dog. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Nick Cannon got a song with Migos. Do you got a song with Migos? Nope.
Didn't he have a? Oh man, Nick Cannon had joints.
He got a song with Migos called Pajama Pants, fam.
Does he?
Yes.
Did you?
He contracted Migos to do a song called Pajama Pants. Can you ever be mad at Nick Cannon?
Where does this song? I never heard it. Did he play this personally for you? Because I feel like
he did.
I feel like
is that a flex? He did.
I feel like Nick Cannon makes music just for Nick Cannon.
Yo,
like he has a phone full of music that no one else is hearing. Like, damn, this shit is fire.
Rich,
he's so rich.
You don't care?
You think he can? Nick Cannon could see your slander on Twitter and not give a flying fuck.
Dog, I have personally witnessed Nick Cannon laughing at Twitter slander in a $1 million studio that has mad buttons, so you know it's just mad $1 million.
Dog, Nick Cannon can make Drumline 5 right now without any black people.
No.
And guess what? He's still gonna bank
Straight
off
up.
it. We're trying to get like that.
Drumline set at BYU, nigga, platinum.
Drumline set at Fordham.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? Fordham University. Just a young Catholic girl drumming her way
You know
to
what I'm
freedom.
saying? You know what I'm saying? My mom was a ballerina. She died in a car crash. Now I want to be the best drummer ever. Then Nick Cannon comes out. He's like, yo, learn how to drum.
I can't learn to drum.
You swaggerless white bitch.
My father died at a Tito Puente concert.
Oh, shit.
The Questlove shows up like, yo, you have to feel the drum
Then he spins his
to
bow
be
tie.
the drum.
Oh, man.
Shout out to Quest.
Yo, that's it.
Shout out to the homie Quest.
You know what I'm saying? We out here. We just made a fucking BET straight to the movie, dog.
Cut our check, BET.
Cut the check. You know what
Who's
I'm
the
saying?
president at BET now?
A white guy.
Some white guy, right?
Definitely.
There's no. Are there white? There's black people at BET still. I mean, there's black.
no.
I've seen black.
Everybody
employees,
at BET,
but
it's
most
the
of the
not stands
people-
for Bar Mitzvah Entertainment Television.
Oh man, you're not watching the Josh Grodelstein bar mitzvah live from Rivieras.
Hosted by LL Cool J.
Yo, come on, kids. Shark fin. Deepest, coolest.
Yo, that was such a ridiculous song, fam.
Oh, no.
God.
We can't make fun of people who do stuff like this because I feel like we're like 4
artists
months
now.
away.
Yeah.
from
I was
doing
telling
some
that.
wild,
Yo, shout out to
shit.
everybody that came on this. I did a Periscope on Friday because I felt bad. You know what I'm saying? Because I was like, we didn't drop the podcast. So I was like talking to people and they were like, yo. You know what I'm saying? They're like, yo, why ain't y'all on some wild slander shit like anymore? Like, why ain't y'all, you know what I'm saying, taking motherfuckers' heads off and just slander? I'm like, actually, you know what I'm saying? Because I got mad emotional. I was like, yo, man, because this is how I feed my kids, B.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I wouldn't want people taking money out of my, you know what I'm saying, my pocket. This is what, you know what I'm saying? And then I got some extra shit and I was like, this is how fucking Troy Ave feeds his kids. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Oh, wow. I didn't even think about it like that.
you know what I mean?
Damn.
Like, yo, damn, every time you slander a nigga, you're like, you're convincing somebody to not fuck with that person that might fuck with that person.
Yo.
If you're a huge fan of something, I feel like it's okay to slander it. Like Taylor Swift, you could slander Taylor Swift all day.
Right.
Because there's no way you're bringing Taylor Swift down.
Right.
But if it's somebody that's like middling, you know what I'm saying, and you don't know if they're gonna make it or not, and you can have an impact on their career, I'm like, yo, it's kind of fucked up to slander a nigga like that. You know what I mean?
We went from Bodega Boys to Breakfast Club.
You know what I'm saying?
Fucking Kid Mero over here being go tender. Fuck that. We got the slander on deck.
Fuck that.
You know
think
why,
it's all
man?
the time. Ah!
We've been reducing the
all
slander
safety.
because the shit is you slander a nigga, then you be in a room with the nigga. So then it's just like, yo, is this nigga gonna punch me? And then if he don't punch me, then he look like pussy.
Yeah.
So I'm looking at him like, yo, you gotta hit me, but if you hit me, now we gotta fight. And now what are we supposed to do?
That's terrible.
That's terrible.
Low-key was like that when Joe Budden came out Uncommon Sense, because it was like we both have slandered Joe Budden OD.
We're both blocked.
Yeah.
We were both blocked.
You know what
and
I'm
the
saying?
thing is, Joe Budden was like, who are these guys?
Yeah. You know
So
what
we're
I'm
like,
saying?
oh, this guy's gonna fuck it up. He's like, who are you guys? I don't know you guys.
I was
Fuck,
like,
I
yo,
blocked you 3 years ago.
We gotta fight Joe Budden. This nigga was like, nah, I don't care. Nigga
Niggas
was
doing
like,
mad push-ups in the green room, like, just in case.
and the motherfucker was like, yo, yeah, nah, y'all niggas
like,
is
y'all
cool.
funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out
Yeah.
to Joe.
So shout out to everyone that could take a joke.
Yeah.
We got the slander on deck. Come
know what
on,
I mean?
we listen, we got
But
slander.
like we said, you know what I'm saying? We was this is gonna sound like another flex. Like we said in the you know what I'm saying, in the Rolling Stone interview.
Wow.
We're not slandering people like, yo, kill yourself slander. You know what
Not
I'm saying?
yet.
We're slandering people like, yo,
Not yet.
here's a little jokey joke. You know what I'm saying? Take it or leave it. You know what I'm saying?
You know what it's like? It's like when you slap box with your girl before sex.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like that. Let's
Exactly.
set the mood.
Yeah.
You know?
If you slap it too hard or she slaps you too hard, it's like, yo, I understand. You know what I'm saying? You talk about it.
Stop.
Chill.
Stop. You
Yeah,
know?
that's all it takes.
That's all it takes.
Chill. Chill.
So why you play so much?
No, you
know,
wildin',
like,
you
chill.
wildin', you
You gotta
wildin',
do that hug
Yeah.
to keep her arms down
Yeah.
while you kissing her. Like, yo, chill, ma, chill.
relax, yo.
And you're a little naked. She's like, stop. I'm mad at you.
Stop.
I'm mad.
Stop. I got my period.
I don't. Listen,
Stop.
you over here for the weekend. I put the shower curtain down.
Ah,
Listen,
you
we're
got
gonna
your
make the
period.
Japanese flag or not,
yeah,
ma.
Oh, it's lit.
Shout out to all my dudes out there running red lights
know
like
what I
a
mean?
fire engine.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Speaking
respect
of
that.
fires, you got to come down to 220 West 18th Street,
That's
Red
right.
Bull Studios.
And follow them on social media, all of it, Twitter, Instagram, at RB Studios NY.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's where they let us cook, man.
That's right.
They let us do 9/11 and period jokes. So I red meat jokes. We just jumped on like 4 topics. Pause.
Fuck it, man. This is what you get. Yo.
Bodega Boys in the building.
That's right. We're in the building. Has some water damage in the basement.
That's cool.
But overall, you know what I'm saying? We're able to record it. It's just chill.
Isn't the first time the Bodega Boys got you wet down there.
Hey!
Speaking about getting wet down there.
Whoa.
Not sure how these two relate, but Lamar Odom.
Makes perfect sense.
See, we were going to talk about this last week before the fire.
Right.
And thankfully we didn't because last week he almost died.
Yes.
So it wasn't cool to talk about
it wasn't
Lamar
okay,
Odom.
yeah.
Because all of a sudden, we all love Lamar Odom.
Oh, yeah.
We all pray for Lamar. Yo, I don't want to hear no Lamar Odom jokes.
Oh, why are you reducing him to a Kardashian tertiary character?
He's a person. He's a basketball player.
He's an athlete.
Y'all are
he's
so
an all-star.
fucking full of shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You're full of shit. You don't acknowledge
4
it.
months ago, we were all getting off that fire tweet about Lamar Odom was the junkie and French Montana was the
Montana said the
plug,
shit in freestyle.
and Chloe did the jump.
That's right.
Okay?
She went from the custody to the CEO.
Okay? But now we all care about Lamar. But Lamar lived. So now we get these jokes
Now you
off.
get these custody jokes off.
Okay? Shout out to Lamar Odom.
I know you got them in your drafts. Let them
You got
fly.
them in your draft. Some of them you deleted that were fire, and now you're sick. Like, damn.
I forgot.
wish Desus and Mero had said this before. Yo, your man Lamar Odom, almost died and got his girl back.
Dog,
That's a good flex.
That's so an intense
strong
flex.
flex.
All you gotta do, listen.
If you've never if you never try to kill yourself to get someone to stay with
Yeah,
you,
never
I don't
love
know if you're really about this relationship,
you're
man.
really not. Really
All right?
You know
And you
what
got
I'm
Snapchat now, so send them that photo of the knife pressed against your veins like I will.
Dog.
With mad heart emojis.
I had an ex-girlfriend that played me out severely.
Right.
And being the true Latino male that I am, I wanted to fight the dude and not her. You know what I'm saying? And I'd be like, yo, get this bitch out of here. Caught this bitch with the dude in the car. Reached in the car, started snuffing this dude from the driver's side. I'm standing outside the car. This nigga pulls off. I'm hanging onto the car. Down fucking Hoffman in the Bronx. You know what I'm saying? Skidding like fucking, like sparks coming out my shoes. I let go of the car, roll all around like Van Damme. If you didn't do some shit like that, dog, that pussy was not fire.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, listen, you got to do stupid things.
You gotta do stupid things in your youth. My age ended in teen at that time though.
But so what's the excuse with Lamar? Shout out to Lamar for ODing on gas station Viagra.
Dog, Bodega dick pills.
Okay.
You man OD'd on Bodega dick pills.
Your man did too many horny goat weed pills.
Chill. St. John's what?
And then it's just like, it was clearly people who have never been around drugs was like, he did every drug.
Every drug in the
like,
world.
He didn't do every drug.
Come on, man. He had a
All
couple
right?
Xannies and some Bodega dick pills.
Okay.
He passed out.
And then at the brothel?
Come on,
Come on, man. Come on.
First of all, why you taking Viagra in a brothel?
Yeah, I mean, he wants his money worth. I get that.
Like, you scared they're gonna go on bolo alert, fam? And be like, yo, Lamar got that weak dick?
You know what it is? Because they be like, yo, you get
6 men of the year, my ass.
Pause. No, but you know, they be sex workers.
Yeah.
They be like such and such for half an hour,
Right.
blah 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 for an hour.
That means a nut, fam.
That means a nut.
Don't get it twisted.
Well, listen, maybe I'll wear you out for that hour on these Bodega Big Pills, okay? Bodega Dick Pills, excuse me. Let's get that correct. 'Cause I feel like that's gonna be the title of this episode. But then, in a brothel, they could get a hotel room.
Come on, fam.
The brothel owner says he owes $75,000.
This is what I understand.
I think they kept charging him while he was passed out.
Right. This is what I don't understand. And I saw the 30 for 30 broke shit.
Yeah.
And I still don't understand. How do you have Lamar Odom was an all-star, fam. Niggas bought your jersey.
Yeah.
You're rich.
Yeah.
How did this happen? You know what I'm
Listen,
saying?
life
Like, what
comes
did
at you fast.
Yo, life comes at you
Life
wild
comes
fast. I'm
at
like,
you
yo, this
fast.
nigga was holding the NBA Finals trophy like 6 months ago. What happened? Now this nigga's ODing up on dick pills. Khloe Kardashian's there. They got the whole crew. Caitlin's there.
Yo, that's
Shit,
a mess.
it's tough, but it's good. Like, what the fuck? Like, yo, shit's crazy. Yo.
Oh my God.
These niggas are living a wild life.
That's a wild life. That's a wild. Because think about it. When he came to, he was like, yo, what the fuck is, look at this family. Everyone has surgery. I don't know what's going on. That used to be Bruce. Look at Kylie. She's 13. She looks 37.
Yo.
Tiger's there. They got they have a $57,000 dog now.
Son.
Like, he doesn't know
They have
what
a
we out.
$57,000 dog?
Tiger and Kylie this weekend, they bought a $57,000 dog. It's a very
What?
unique. It's like some sort of Dalmatian cross.
What?
It's some dumb shit. Kylie's gonna like fucking kill it or something.
That's the new rap shit. Now Tiger's gonna be like, yo, drop 60 on the dog, motherfucker.
Yeah.
He's gonna round up.
Yeah, you know
Oh
that.
my
you know
God.
that. Come on. You know how Michael does.
Damn.
You know what? That's our new thing. We're not using rapper's name anymore. We call you by your first name.
That's right, Philip.
So shout out to Lamar. And yo, everybody was wild fake and like hopeful and
Yeah, man.
like Jenny Johnson, high five, her whole career is built on
Slim and
saying
black
fuck
eyes.
shit about
Yeah.
the Kardashians.
Yeah.
She was like, I don't want to hear nothing. I'm just praying for Lamar.
Come on.
Yo, how you think God felt when he saw all those praise for Lamar?
Chill.
He was like, new number, who this?
Let that shit happen
All
to Chris
right?
Brown, though. I bet you wouldn't say that shit.
Oh, I hope Chris Brown beats this drug addiction the way he beat Rihanna. Yeah, that's what she would tweet. That's literally what she would tweet.
Yep.
Oh, man.
Yo, man, shout out to Lamar. Shout out to Queens.
Shout out to everyone who tweeted, pray for Lamar. Meanwhile, your auntie out here doing the jig on Fordham Plaza, showing her nipple for nickels.
Okay.
Trying to buy red tops.
Yo.
But you know what? That's okay. She's not famous, so we're not praying for her.
Oh, no,
and
it's
you
all
mad
good.
at her because she stole your PS2.
That's right.
That was 10 years ago. Move
And
on.
you call her, you got her stored in your phone as crackhead Aunt Stacy.
Oh, no.
You fucked up.
Oh, I love you. Come on, man.
You know what I'm saying? Come get your aunt, man.
You're so pretty. You look like a young me.
Come get her.
Yo, take me to the store to get Newports.
I just walked out the White Castle on Fordham and your aunt offered me a date.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? You know what that means.
She got no teeth, and she's like, yeah, I hate the taste of rubber, if you know what I'm saying.
Come get her.
Man.
Somebody come get her because she's acting like a smoker. Yo.
Bodega Boys is back in the
back
building.
here.
Now, this weekend, there was a horrible display of just violence. I'm not talking about that lady driving the car into the crowd at
Nah.
OSU?
Oregon State? Is it
Yeah,
Oregon?
Oregon State.
Ohio?
Prayers up for them.
Shout out to
No, at around 2 a.m., a coward by the name of Brian slithered onto the streets.
We're sticking to this rap shit. We're not talking no rap
We're
names.
not using rap names.
All right, Brian.
All right, Brian, or some of your little friends might know you, B-Roya.
B-roll what? Nigga, I'm
B-roll
going to B-roll
what?
you off a cliff. Nigga, get out of here.
He dropped a scathing rebuttal because he heard we were talking about him in a previous episode of our beautiful Red Bull podcast. We're going to take a break pause here so we can play some of it.
Oh, man. I apologize in advance.
My name's still coming at they mouth. Complex dropped you so you win another route. Bitch. I might have to glue your fucking lips. Cause you motherfuckers ain't got common sense.
Oh, my God.
Okay, first of all, shout out to Brian for having the unmitigated gall to hop on the back-to-back instrumental.
dog. You
Dog,
can't
you're
do
not
that.
drinking this
You're
fight.
not. No.
Okay, you're not.
You're meek.
All right?
You're getting meeked.
Is that your mom's computer? Or is that your computer? Okay? All right?
Is that you girls? Is that your own Dell or your mom's Dell? Motherfucker. Nigga, come on, man.
Oh,
if you got a
man.
computer that you can't move your feet around under your desk because you're gonna kick the tower, don't get on the fucking mic and record a diss track.
Oh, man. You know, he sampled that beat in Real Media and
Come
had it
on.
on a 5 1/4
Come
floppy.
on. Yo, you sound real quivery at the end there, my G.
That was a terrible flow. And I believe there was gun talk in there. Was there? I heard something about a 4-4. Really, Brian?
Whoa.
Really?
4-4.
Okay. Let's see all that 4-4 talk. Okay, when I send this to your day manager at Cheesecake Factory and you get fired for threatening internet legends.
He's gonna be like 44. You mean
44?
table 44, motherfucker? Get over there and bring those motherfuckers that oregano pesto pasta.
Brian, did they not ask for lobster dippers?
It's the lunch rush, Brian.
Come on, under 30 seconds, we get the date.
Let's
get
go.
the dish to the table. Let's go.
You hear the bells ringing?
Brian.
The orders are ready.
Come on, Brian.
This nigga out of here.
This nigga really came at us on a back-to-back beat. It was like we didn't respond. Does he want us to rap?
Dog, we should just throw on the Who Shot You beat and then just talk
We
to
might
him
have to
over
rap.
it. Like
We might have to
to
drop.
rap.
Peanut Butter Boys might have to get in the booth.
Oh man,
I didn't want that. I didn't want that. You know what? I was trying to
You
keep
don't want
it.
those problems.
I was trying to keep it light because you know hip hop has lost a lot of people.
That's right.
We lost Chinks. We lost Yams.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? I don't want to have to be the person responsible.
You know what I mean?
For at the next big Powerhouse or Summer Jam concert to like put one finger in the air for B-Roya. But you know what? It might come to that. Keep our name out your mouth.
You know what I'm saying?
We might get Ben Carson to do a hook.
You know what I'm saying? It might be serious for you.
It might be serious.
You know what I mean?
Just get him talking that brain slick talk.
Oh God,
want
where's this
that,
dude
Brian.
from, man?
Oh man.
I guarantee you have at least 3 different polos in the closet.
But they all got the big logo.
Uh-huh.
Whack.
And by logo, I mean Best Buy, Radio Shack, Dunkin' Donuts, Burger King. Those logos.
Krispy
On your
Kreme.
polo. Krispy Kreme polo.
Singing Hotline Bling, but just talking about Hot Light.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
I know when that hot light blink. Nigga with your Krispy Kreme polo. He got the Gucci foams. He thinks the shit looks hot together.
Oh, man.
Fucking clown. Shit's just fake, nigga. You got them off kicksfire.org.
Oh, man. Oh, you're a sneaker from Palestine.
Come on, fam.
All right?
Sneakers come in a box with mad fucking...
ISIS can't be a sneaker plug, my G.
Nah, son, dog.
Dead stock. And dead to the infidels. Oh, man.
Fuck out of here.
Oh, enough of that. Speaking of Twitter beef, though,
Who got Twitter beef now?
there was Steakgate this weekend.
Oh, man, that was wild.
Oh, man.
Yo.
I don't even like it. Was Jamaican Honey was the
Yo.
girl's name.
And
And she drove all the way
Brooklyn.
from Connecticut to Brooklyn.
Yo,
to
Connecticut
fight a
people,
girl.
listen, that's how boring Connecticut is, though.
Yeah.
Connecticut is so boring that you will get on Twitter and be like, fuck this. I'm going to get in my car and I'm going to drive 2.5
go beat
hours
someone's
to
ass.
fuck you up.
Yo,
Because I don't want to sit here and watch Martin reruns on MTV, too.
there's nothing popping in Hartford.
You know what I'm saying? Harvard, I guess, listen,
Hartford.
shout out to Connecticut. All my Connecticut niggas. Shout out to y'all. But
Connecticut's biggest moment was they got shot out in incarcerated Scarface.
that's true. That's
it.
right. What
That's
up?
pretty much
Peace,
it.
Connecticut.
Peace,
Yeah.
Connecticut. Nah, you got some good people. Connecticut's popping. They're right there.
Yeah.
Connecticut got good side and the bad side.
Desus is already he's already trying to get on that co-op board in like Greenwich.
You know I
and
am.
shit. You know what I'm saying?
I don't want them playing this in front of my white wife and my mixed child. Come on. Anyway, so she drove. Also, she's Jamaican, which I listen. Say
gotta
no
respect
more.
it, gotta
Say
respect
no
it,
more.
yeah.
Like, we'll drive somewhere to fight.
If you would have had, I feel like if the other shorty would have had those facts prior to this whole shit popping off, she would have not egged her on to
Yeah.
that point. Like you can't egg a Jamaican chick on, man. She will.
They're
come and
already-
shit.
they're already at
Yeah,
level 10,
They're
so.
already on 9.5, dog. They don't need that extra 0.5.
All I'm saying, you like, I respect this. All I'm saying is, don't do this to me.
No.
Because if you threaten to fight me on Twitter, I'm going to show you how fast Blue Lives Matter when I have this fucking pro-police rally in front of my house and we're all waiting for you. And I point at you like, yes, officer, that is the person that threatened me on Twitter. Please take them away. Because I am not fighting someone over 140 characters. This is how I feed my kids.
Yeah, that's real. I also feel like that, but I also send some dudes that do not speak any English to cut your face.
Nah, you can't.
We can't do that shit no more. We on
You can't
TV,
do that
dog.
shit. You
Yeah, we on
can't
TV.
You can't do that.
You can't buck 50 niggas no more. That's a sad thing.
That's a
We have
sad
niggas on
thing.
TV
Is
now.
it? Do you want to be on TMZ? Like, and you're in like the
Yeah.
wild crushed button-up shirt
Damn.
that your wife had to bring to you
Yeah.
because you were locked up, and now you put it on while you're in arraignment.
Damn. You know what? Low key, I do because
You
I
do?
know like
That's a
I
low-
know,
that's a
like,
wild
I know,
flex?
I know my wife is a ride or die. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to her. Shout out to Heather. I love you, girl. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like if I did something like that, she would ride out in court.
Your
I
wife is a
respect
ride or die.
Yeah.
Like, how, like,
If I did
could you
something-
give her a gun and be like, wipe it clean, and she'd just be like, yeah.
She would. My wife is Jewish, so she would do it in a very Jewish, like sarcastic, kind of like putting me down way. She's like, "Are you gonna bring a fucking gun in the house? That's great. We have kids in this house. Are you kidding me?
All right.
Give me the fucking gun. Get out of here. I don't even understand. Like, and then she just wipe the gun down and be complaining the entire time.
Oh wow,
know what I'm
sounds great and terrible at the same time.
Yeah, but listen, I wouldn't go to jail for the gun, but I would have to answer to it. You know what I'm saying? She would bring that shit up at like Passover and shit to like to slay me
How
in
do you
front of her
bring up?
mom.
Oh,
You know
in
what I
front
mean?
of the table at Passover.
Yeah, and just embarrass me at Seder when we're reading the book backwards and shit. I'm dropping all these Jewish darts on y'all.
Yeah,
you
no
know
one's
what I'm
catchy.
saying?
No one
You know what I
catchy.
mean?
You know, they're like 1% of the United States. Like, you think you're reaching out to our Jewish demographic? We
Shout out
have
to the
those.
Jewish devil. I'm trying to host the star-studded Seder.
Next year in Jerusalem. Come to the Kid Mero Seder.
Yeah.
Free hookah.
It's lit.
Only Seder with reggaeton. Hosted by Lupe and Cardi B.
Yo! Shout out to Lupe.
Oh, shit.
This shit was deep, fam. Like,
Do you know? I mean, I just, the thing is, I just kind of followed it from the peripheral.
Right.
Because I have things to do.
Did you stop when
on
they
the
threw the
weekend.
MJ meme on the
I
stage,
did.
or did you keep going after
I
that?
stopped there because you know
Right.
what? They were live tweeting it, and I'm like, yo, they really gonna fight. And then the girl did, like the
They
other
saw-
girl went to sleep.
Yeah.
And they never fought.
And then she was like, yo, but I went to sleep, though. How y'all calling me pussy because I went to sleep? I'm
But
like,
then the other girl had the Vine and was like, yo, I'm out here.
yeah.
I'm
But
out
then she
here.
got exposed because this timestamp, Shorty Vine, or did a Vine or whatever video she posted.
Right.
The other girl's last tweet was 7 minutes before that. So in 7 minutes, she went to bed and like knocked out to the point where she couldn't. You know what I mean?
Oh. Shook ones?
The plot thickens.
Oh, wow.
You know what I mean? And y'all gotta stop. Yo, people from New York, listen, don't pick a fight unless you know you can watch the person because y'all making us look bad, man.
Yeah, New York's been getting, that guy that got
He got
laid
beat
out,
into a yoga
was
position.
like, I'm from New York.
Come
Listen,
on, dog.
New York used to be like, no, but that's the thing, and people in New York don't fist fight anymore.
That's right.
We got guns.
Yeah.
So,
Listen, but we're old school, you know what I'm saying? I'll still punch a nigga in the face, but the shit is like, you're making us look like we're not able to do this. You know what I'm saying? So now if I go somewhere, it used to be a certain level of respect. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I remember going to I remember being in some weird part of Jersey or like Philly or some shit, and motherfuckers be like, "Oh, you from the Bronx? Yo, y'all motherfuckers is crazy out there." You know what I'm saying? But now Brooklyn,
like, yo.
you know what I'm saying, is looking mad Buzzini. You just got beat up from a bitch. But where's she from? New London? You know what I'm
Somewhere
saying?
Connecticut.
Somewhere crazy. Someone with a weird name that sounds like a British yogurt. You know what I'm saying?
wow.
Like, come on.
Wow, somewhere where they're still bumping Stagger Lee.
Yeah. It's a Stagger Lee. Damn, I saw Stagger Lee in a fucking Pizza Hut in Yonkers looking so sad.
La, 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 la. Oh man, but yeah, New York gotta knuckle up. New York gotta go back to the. But who in New York? Like, think about it. We don't have no rappers in no way like really fighting.
All y'all New York rappers gotta start punching people in the face. I feel like I
Don't
could
punch
trust
us in the face though.
No, not us.
Not us. We're hood commentators.
Yeah. No. We're part of the team.
We're part of Switzerland. We're just observers.
That's it.
We're like the UN guys. We're just here to observe. We're not here to help.
Absolutely.
We're not here to like you could be dying from a typhoon, and we're just here like, hey, look at our blue helmets.
We're just here to observe.
We're just here to observe. Got
You
no
know what I'm
weapons.
saying?
Got no weapons.
No weapons.
Hey, warlord, don't kill me.
Don't kill me. I have
kill
a
me.
blue helmet and no gun.
Circle, circle, dot, dot.
You can't touch me. I'm touching the base. Pause. Wow.
I touched the base. I touched the base.
Yeah, but I feel like somebody in French Montana's entourage or himself might.
Oh yeah, well, I
punch
mean,
you
you
in the
always
face.
have to have like people around you that
Yeah.
will do the dumb nigga shit
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah.
Like I got cousins that will do that.
Oh, absolutely.
But then they'll come to me like, "Yo, you gonna put $80,000 a month on my books?" And I'll be like, "New number, who this?"
We got to develop some kind of chart that shows like the more popping you get, the more of your homies is like, yo, fam.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, if you ever need a nigga.
Yo, dudes has really hit me up like, yo, I got this screenplay. I'm like, whoa, stop my time. We're on White Plains Road, my nigga.
I just need you to hold drugs in your butt and shoot people.
I just came here to get some Reggie from you. I don't want to hear about your epic emotional tale of a girl's second virginity, all right? This ain't the place, homeboy.
Yo, shit is wild. Yo, Halloween is coming though.
Halloween is coming
right around the corner, man.
I know this holds a special place in Mero's heart as a candidate for pre-diabetes.
Oh, man.
And also a connoisseur.
That's right.
Of the full-size candy bar. Pause.
Man. Yo, shout out to y'all. Yo, shout out to the heroes out there in America who are putting full-size candy bars in kids' trick-or-treat bags. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you,
Pause.
man. If
That
I see
sounds
you out
so...
there,
You're putting full-size candy bars in kids' trick-or-treat bags.
wow, whoa, wait, yo, chill, Jared. Why you have to go there?
Ain't nobody ordered to double meat, my nigga. Okay? We were just talking about Halloween candy.
What's up, man? A hard left onto Jared Street.
I'm using my Chomo GPS.
Rerouting.
Remounting your location, sexy kids. No.
Sexy Kids County. Yo. Yeah, but nah, yo, full-size candy bars. Yo, Halloween is popping to me because my like I said, my wife is white and she's very corny and reads like parenting magazines and shit. And she's like, yo, kids can't eat candy, blah, blah, blah. So my kid, but she doesn't want to rob them of the experience of going around and trick-or-treating. So we go trick-or-treating. So we take them around, they get mad candy, and then somebody got to eat that motherfucking candy. You know what I'm saying? So I eat all the chocolate, and then I bring all the other shit to the office, and you eat it. You know what I'm saying?
That's true. You know, a lot of people don't realize. How can I put this nicely? How difficult it is to put pins in apples when you give them out. I used to have a leg up on this, and now you have all these magazines, and they're giving up the game.
You got to use a cork.
You got to use a cork?
You know
how difficult it is to put a razor blade inside a Snickers bar and give it a little Timmy?
And make the packaging look untampered with?
Yo,
shit is mad hard.
You know what? I guess for some people, it's a game. It's like, yo, how am I going to fuck these little kids up?
Yeah.
Which is worse, though? As a little kid, I'd rather get a razor blade inside a candy bar than a toothbrush or pennies. I remember a lady gave out pennies on my block, and I have never thrown rocks through someone's window as angrily
That's what you
as
gotta
we
do.
did her house.
All the kids in the neighborhood got to go around, put all those pennies on one sock, and just smack her in the head with it.
Right through it.
While she's waiting for the bus.
Set her house on fire. set the back entrance and the front entrance on fire. And she's like, help me. Be like, no, bitch, you gave us pennies.
But I don't understand why you would do that. You're like tempting fate, dog, because kids are dicks. You know what I'm saying? If you give a 13-year-old kid a penny, he's going to remember you, fam. And he's going to come back and he's going to do something very foul to your house, which may include human feces.
You know what? A lot of you listeners don't understand. Halloween in a New York City high school, woo! It's like the Hunger Games, my
dog.
nigga.
Yo,
first of all,
it's like crossing from fucking Jordan into Israel, my nigga. Like, yo,
it gets very serious very fast.
It's real serious.
Just Hamas looking at it like, nah, we don't want no parts of that.
Nah, fam.
Shout out to every security guard that has ever taken a book bag and smashed it on the table to knock out the eggs. Jokes like, you dickhead, I've been freezing these eggs since last week.
Asshole.
They're not smashing.
Uh,
Shout out to everyone that ever got hit in the head with an egg and got the wild concussion,
Oof.
was lying in the middle of the street, and then got Nair sprayed on the top of their head, which is a Co-op City staple.
oh my God, Nair.
Oh, man.
Yo.
Halloween went from being like lovable, like when you're 13, 14, 15,
yeah.
Halloween goes from being like lovable or cuddable. There's like something you can die during.
Straight the purge.
Just
yeah.
exactly, exactly. It's like, let me put on, like, you're 15. You're like, yo, I have on a Jason mask, so literally any crime I do, I can't be responsible for.
Dog, I went out one night with a couple of my homies. Shout out to my man Jones. We on mischief night, because it's like the night before Halloween is
Right.
mischief night. So we go on mischief night.
I never knew it had a name. I just knew it was. Like,
I didn't know it was called mischief night until
I
like
didn't know. I
the
was just
internet.
like, yo, I look out my window and I see other kids like, yo, it's lit. Come out here, we'll break this shit.
We're
And I'm like,
fucking
yo,
shit up. Yeah, it's fucking shit up night.
fix shit up night.
I was like, yo, but hey, if you want to give it a title, mischief night. So we went out there and we're walking around like peeing on people's doors and doing all types of stupid shit like that.
Wow.
My man rings the doorbell, and I'm thinking he's gonna ring the doorbell and run off. He rings the doorbell and he starts peeing on the door. The dude must have been right behind the door because he opened the door, but this was like somebody's house.
Right.
So the homie had a screen door and like the door. So this dude is pissing, and the piss is going through the screen into the dude's. He's like, yo, what the fuck? Niggas all run off. We run up to Tremont. We're staying on Tremont. The same dude that just pissed on homie's door grabs a VCR out of a pile of garbage and throws the shit at a 40 bus. I was like, yo,
Sounds about right.
what are we doing out here,
right.
fam? I was like, this is fun. Like, thinking back on it as an adult, I'm just like, yo,
I'm terrified. I am terrified because I think these little fucking kids are gonna do the shit I used to do.
Yeah.
And I don't want no parts of it.
Oh man, I
Because
don't
I
want to
was
cut somebody's
so
face.
bad.
Dog, come on.
I was so like, I was those little kids who would be like, yo, push that lady on the tracks, and I'd be like, talk me out of it.
Talk me. There gotta be the one dude in your crew to be like, yo, chill, fam,
chill. I'm like,
chill. Yo, you wildin'.
Oh man.
Nah, we can't. On the tracks, nigga. Yo, electricity,
Chill,
nigga. She'll die.
Yo, the train's gonna be delayed. We're not gonna get.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
You're like, yo, she's gonna be like, I don't care. Be like, yo, the train's gonna be late. Oh, fuck that.
We used to ride on top of elevators. You think I give a fuck? Now, like, I watch the weather report, I'm just like, oh, it's gonna be too cold. I'm bringing a sweater.
Oh my god,
I'm gonna get a chill.
I was gonna rain. Oh, I didn't even have an
Consumption,
umbrella.
that could be the death of me.
Dog. I think twice about drinking a soda now, dog. Back in the day, I would fucking smoke dust on top of an elevator.
While graffiti in it,
while
right?
graffiti in it.
Smoking too much. Now, dog, I was going down the subway steps a little too fast. I was like, whoa, let me slow down.
Let me slow down a little bit.
Let me test my ACL, okay? All right, there will be another train. There's no need to run.
Wow, niggas.
No,
are
after
washed.
you, sir. After you.
Yo, go right ahead.
Yeah, we're washed. I'm out here.
Who cares?
That's what
We could be washed.
You'd rather be a watch lion
Yep.
than, I guess, the dead lion on the wall.
Yeah.
I don't know what. I've never been to Africa. I don't know how lions work.
Okay.
I know they sing
They
like
do.
Hakuna Matata
They do.
and shit like
They do.
that.
They do. That means no worries.
It does it? I don't know.
saying?
Disney said that.
Yeah.
I've never heard a black person say that.
No.
I've never heard a South African like that's something we say.
You could say that Hakuna Matata was like part of Kwanzaa or some shit, and like I would totally
buy
believe
it.
I would be
I
I'd be all
buy
in.
it.
Yeah.
Kwanzaa is such a trash holiday.
Yo, who made is Kwanzaa made up? Kwanzaa's made
Kwanzaa-
up. Right? Is there like
No,
a
the thing
history
is,
of Kwanzaa? I
Kwanzaa's
don't know
made up
anything about
from like
Kwanzaa.
1956, and that's the problem. If a holiday is made up,
Right.
and the person who made it up, is still alive,
Yeah, trash.
nah.
You can't have a holiday that you made up while cameras existed.
Yeah.
That's my rules.
If I could Google the start date of your holiday,
Nah.
no, because like Christmas, people are like, oh, Christmas, yeah, that started. I don't know when Jesus was born.
Yeah, exactly. So
Boom.
think about it. You've never seen a photo. That's why you feel like it's official.
Right.
You've never seen a photograph of Jesus.
Right.
You've never seen a photograph of Santa Claus.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Imagine if Instagram showed up of the first Christmas.
Come
and
on.
It's just like Mary bitching, like, yo,
Yo.
this dumb nigga, he knew I was pregnant. He ain't get a hotel room.
You know what I'm saying?
Now we out here.
This
I gotta
fucking
have this
manger.
fucking baby in a manger. I'm tired
Smell
of this
like
nigga.
shit.
Okay, never mind. It might not be his baby, but Maury's not invented yet, so I don't want to hear that, okay?
Christmas
'Cause you know
Carol.
what? Okay? Because my name is Mary, bad bitch of the Nazareth, so you're going to respect mine. Oh, my water's
Motherfucker,
breaking.
I got 150K Instagram followers, motherfucker. Don't be disrespecting me like this. Yo, she could that all the Christmas carols would just be like,
Yeah. Just rolling her eyes. Little drummer boy like, the drummer boy. Oh, damn. This nigga in a bad situation. Yeah, sorry, Joseph. Baby. Like 3 wise men will come in and just Mary and Joseph
You know
just
what I'm
having a
saying?
wild fight. Like, they ain't my fucking baby, bitch.
You know
And they're
what
like,
I'm
we have frankincense?
I never even
Yo, get
smashed.
the fuck out of here. Oh, who these 3 niggas?
Nah.
You fucked them too?
fucking yo, the Maury
Fucking
comes out.
thought. God comes through like, yo, could you, that's my baby's mom. I'm like, what?
Excuse me?
Joseph just challenged God to the mad fight outside. Like, take your shirt off, nigga.
Yo, go ahead. Yo, let's go
Hold these
outside, my
hands.
nigga. Nah, I don't want to disrespect
Nah.
Shorty in here. You know what I'm saying? Let's go talk about
Now
this
there's a
outside.
baby out here. We're gonna handle this like men.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? I want to fight you around the camels, my G.
Now I got time, cuz.
We found out Joe was a gangster. Joseph was a gangster. Joseph the carpenter. Could
Yeah.
stay with the tools.
Yo, listen.
Hey.
He stays with the hammer.
Oh man. We're gonna do a Bodega Boys Christmas special. We're gonna have
Oh,
the
man.
Migos as the three wise men.
Gotta do it.
It's gonna be good.
Gotta do it.
We're gonna have Nori West as Baby Jesus.
Baby Jesus.
Just slick her hair down.
Rihanna is Mary.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, I'll be Joseph then
Okay.
for our
You know what I'm saying?
lovemaking scene.
That's cool.
Our copulation.
Yo, I just gotta be God and come through and just be like, yo,
Come through. You've been smoking on the vape, like, yo, that's my son.
That's my
Shit's
son.
lit.
Nigga.
Oh man. Someone send us how much money we need for this.
Let's start a Kickstarter. Let's not start a Kickstarter because
No,
fuck
just send us
Kickstarters.
money. Fuck
Just send us money,
Kickstarter.
dog. Just PayPal.
send us money.
Yeah.
Apple, send us money. Apple, you're not low. Also, okay, we've chilled with the phone wars. But,
Yo,
and this is what I gotta point out, and I don't like this.
Apple invented gifts.
Don't even. Don't,
I know you've seen the commercial.
Don't do it. Don't do it. You're playing yourself. And another one.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Okay? Listen, Apple.
You gotta throw
You're
that in,
not low. Galaxy came out with ASAP Rocky,
Yep.
a fellow dark-skinned individual
Yep.
with the gold teeth in the commercial.
Yep.
How does Apple respond? They got the king of the
Steph
light skins,
Curry.
Steph fucking Curry.
Steph Curry.
The
with
father
shot
of the
boy.
two beautiful light-skinned kids with his beautiful light-skinned
Yep.
wife, beautiful light-skinned mother,
Yep.
beautiful light-skinned half-court shot.
Yep.
And now he's just very cash.
Just totally put together family, no broken home
No
situation.
broken home, goes to
Mad
church.
Cool. Yeah, brother plays basketball,
Loves
dad
his
plays
father.
basketball. Yeah.
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
It's lovely.
Come on.
What commercial was that? That was
That's
an Apple
that's a
commercial?
new Apple commercial.
Where's
He's
the
at the
three of
end,
them
and
too?
it's not even like it's not even featuring him. He's just at the end, like
then
yo,
like, oh, yo.
Apple's like yo, we got so many celebrities, we don't even gotta highlight niggas.
Steph Curry's getting so much endorsement money.
Yo, he's
Because
getting
I
all
remember
of it.
seeing another commercial. I don't even know what it was for, but it was him, Seth, his brother Seth, and Del Curry.
Mm-hmm.
Steph Curry came and sat in like the good recliner,
Right.
And then his dad came in and was like, "Pff, this motherfucker wins one MVP and thinks he's the man."
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, ha ha ha, yo, how cute. You know what I'm saying? As a dude with sons, that's very heartstrings. But then, what do we see every fucking day out here in Times Square?
Oh.
The fucking Express for Men.
Oh,
The
man.
Express Men.
Look at
Steph
that.
Curry in a
Steph
blazer.
Curry. And he's looking at you like, yeah, I'm doing an Express commercial. Guess what?
What's up?
Check clear, nigga. I respect you, Steph.
I respect you in your
respect you,
blazer.
Steph. So I'm just saying, I mean, Samsung/Droid,
Yeah.
maybe you step it up, get another dark-skinned individual who's popping tin right now.
You know what I'm saying?
Young Bandela.
That's right. You know what
Okay.
I'm saying? Apple, you follow suit and get, you know what I'm saying?
No, Apple, don't show. Nobody wants to see Mero
Put
family.
light skin fam in there, you
No.
know what I'm saying?
No. I will personally write you a death threat. I'll be like, I'm not buying your products because you have a mixed family in the commercials.
I'm like, yo, this looks exactly like this is handwriting.
Also, Mero farts a lot in the office.
Shout out to anybody I farted in the presence of. You know
Oh,
what
it
I'm saying?
happens.
Respect my
It
farts.
happens. Oh,
You know what I'm
man.
saying? Speaking of respecting my farts, we're in Red Bull Studios right now.
Where's
You know what I'm
the
saying?
location? 220
right.
West 18th Street.
Uh-huh.
All right? And just like the LA riots in Ferguson, we're rebuilding.
Mm-hmm.
There's not much to rebuild, so we
Follow
pretty
the
much done.
progress
Yeah.
on at RB Studios NY on Twitter and Instagram. I'm just joking. There might not even be progress shots there, but you should go there anyway. Also, redbullstudios.com/New York, nigga.
Also, why don't you drink a Red Bull?
Yeah.
It's that simple.
Yeah.
Drink a Red Bull. Drink, like hashtag
Listen.
Bodega Boys, yourself drink it. This is the Red Bull challenge.
That's right.
If you drink a Red Bull, we will favorite your tweet.
Yo.
No,
but think
for
about it
every-
like this. Think about it like
yes.
this. If you buy Red Bulls, think of all the cool shit that we come up with ideas and we're like, yo, send us money to do shit. It's got to be like at least 3 a week at this point.
At least.
So if y'all drink Red Bull, eventually Red Bull will be like, yo, we made $8 million this
Just
week.
off your mentions.
You know what I'm saying? Just off your mention. So we're going to give y'all $10 million to do whatever the fuck y'all want.
Imagine
Which is OD on K2.
keep drinking Red Bull, and maybe Red Bull will bring back the Simple Life
Ah.
featuring Desus and Mero.
Ah.
Maybe you want to see me and Mero hunt wild boars from a helicopter at night using a 50 caliber rifle.
That's right.
Red Bull can make it happen.
They're an invasive species, so it's okay.
It's okay. They're literally rats
That's right.
on farms.
That's right.
You people have to be aware about wild boars.
Right. But we'll also shoot rats in Brooklyn with a 50
We'll
caliber
shoot
rifle.
anything.
You know what I'm saying? If you want.
Red Bull cuts the check. We'll shoot anything because
Yeah.
Red Bull also has lawyer money. All right. Well, that's been episode 5, Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying? We apologize again for the mishap with the fire. And you know what? Because we are the most popping podcast and y'all got us in the top 10
That's right.
of iTunes comedy thing, guess what we're going to do for you? Like those cheap TV commercials. We're going to give you 2 for the price of 1. That's right, back to back, niggas. We're going to have another podcast for you later this week. Oh! Look for it. Oh! Because Red Bull cleared the clay and was like, yo, come back in and do another one of your fire mixtape / podcast things that y'all do.
Going back to back.
Back to back.
That's right.
And in a cool way, not in a B-roll way.
Yeah, not
Brian.
Come on, Brian, get out of here.
Brian, why you lying? Why you always rhyming? Oh my God. Stop fucking rhyming.
I was going to be like, yo, why you fucking Brian is something that all his ex-girlfriends would say, but I can say with pretty, you know what I'm saying, 100% certainty that Brian has not gotten any type of sexual intercourse in the last decade.
Listen, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Brian, what's the issue? Could we fucking your favorite divas and you busting into tissue? Oh! That's right, I got bars on deck of 10. Oh! You don't want that peanut butter boy.
D's is gonna battle somebody.
D's gonna battle somebody. I'm gonna be on Smack TV, okay? I battle Keith Murray.
Oh shit, yo!
We got time? Yo, that Keith Murray.
Yo, Fredro Starr battle, dog.
Jesus.
Listen,
okay,
I know we're late, but there was a fire, etc.
etc. We were gonna talk about it last week.
Yeah.
That
was insane.
That was like watching my childhood memories die.
Dog, that was like
from K2.
Dog, that is like, imagine Jordan would have stayed in the NBA 10 more years.
Play for
on
the
Wizards.
Knicks?
Yeah, and then play for the Knicks. That's what it would have been like. Yo, your man, he fucking used a dread wig.
You can't bring props to a rap battle, Keith Murray.
You can't bring props. What are you, Carrot Top, my nigga? What was that?
Yo, and then he restarted like 3 times.
Yo, hold up. Yo, you can't stop.
Put it right.
The only person... No. The only person who's ever allowed to stop their time in a battle is Joe Budden.
Joe Budden's the god.
Because we're cool with him.
The Twitter god. The emotional god. Our man, Joe Budden. Invite us to the pool party, dog. We Twitter niggas.
Yo.
Twitter niggas gotta support other Twitter niggas.
That's right.
But yeah, Keith Murray, man. Damn, and then Fredro Starr like reincorporated his hook. And like Keith Murray thought he was doing a new track. Like, nah, man.
Stop.
Come on, man.
Yo, he said, stop smoking dust to Keith Murray. And Keith Murray looked at him and acknowledged that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
listen.
Like, yo.
Listen, when you smoke dust, you're not low. The world knows you know. There's no glamorous dust users.
Dog, that was so crazy.
That was so hurt.
RZA was the only glamorous dust user. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But he's out here doing kung fu movies.
But that wasn't him. That was Bobby Digital.
Yeah. Well, social internet for Bob Touch Attack. Oh,
fag.
Yo,
couldn't punch your way out of a paper bag. With scissors on your hands.
Nobody ever checked him.
It's the RZA. He really got away with that.
Can we talk about? Do we have time for this? Can we talk about a little? Or should we save this for the next joint?
We save it for the next one. We talk about problematic hip hop.
Yeah. So much problematic hip hop.
So much problematic hip hop that y'all love.
You know what I'm saying? Then Future comes out with Free Code, and it's a problem.
Oh, okay. Desus Mero, we'll get to the bottom of it.
That's right. Okay? Next episode, stay tuned.
And we're coming back to back later this week because we love y'all.